Ususithandeka phela.
Oh, kanti ngibone isikoro. Screenshot abese yacisha ifoni.
Sisithandeka vele sewafakile vele, there's no need ukuthi ngimtshengise kodwa.
Guys, tap the screen.
Ngathi ngifuna
Usawafakile
ukumtshengisa.
ama-galaxy.
Ngifuna ukumbonisa phela into engikhuluma ngayo. Times 2, I know ukuthi kayizwisisi phela.
Everyone tap the screen, guys, please. Can we all tap?
Siswami sure. Hey. Yabona siswami ukuthi igama lakho selikhona lapha. Libhalwe Thandeka lapha. Yabo. Yabona.
Everyone, let's move together.
So, yalibona igama lakho selikhona lapha ya ukubhalwe Thandeka ama-Mannequin. I'm sure lama galaxy asengenile, so ithi ngibona ama-galaxy but ngibona anase right. Siswami mazwa ngondla kamnandi nkosi yami. Yeah, ama-galaxy asekhona. Anti ngim-screenshotele.
Guys, please tap. Let's all tap.
So, 1 rose, guys.
One rose, family. 1 rose.
1 rose,
Cartel.
Guys. Cartel, thank you so much.
Bonjour, Cartel.
Yabona sisithandeka igama lakho lapha selikhona futhi kuma-galaxy.
Everyone, let's move together, guys.
Kahle kahle wondlusha.
1 rose, please. 1 rose. Cartel, can I have 1 rose? 1 rose, please. Please.
Kufuneka i-flying jet eyi-1. I-flying jet eyi-1. But yo. I-flying jet eyi-1. Zwana mina sengihlaba nge-order.
So mhlafuna kakhulu. Guys, let's go. Mhlambe she will put it. It doesn't mind. Uzosho if it's too much.
Makuyabe kukukhulu wathi ngidinga okunye okuyabe kungcono.
Guys, tap the screen.
Noma i-flying jet eyi-1 or ama-well diving ayi-3.
Ifuna 3 ama-well diving ku-B. Hayi cha nale gift gallery hayi bayasibulala shit.
Ngoba lapha sokulama-galaxy wafakile.
Oh, and now 3 ama-fireworks.
Sokushota ama-fireworks.
Or a 2 of no, not if like i-Leon the kitten eyogcina i-light. Because ifuna 2 the kitten. Guys, tap the screen.
Sisithandeka ngicela line kitten eyi-1. Okuyisilwane lokho akuncuncu kungene ku-gift gallery.
Guys, tap. Let's almost together.
Phela.
How are you?
Phela kafanana phela kula muntu ezomcela nguye yedwa ongisizayo phela. Ngiyedwa ongiftayo. Yebo? Sasa ngiyabe ngichuma nge-gift gallery yami. Manje sengikhathi uhlala lendihleka. Sasa yabe nsithi so, lebona i-gift gallery yami. Khona usisithandeka phakathi. Giftile.
Everyone tap the screen. Yo, kona isicefe sokuthi umuntu uzoloketha i-gift gallery yakho enje.
Mina yami singcono yabona silama-galaxy le-Mannequin. Sithandeka ngiyabonga shem inkosi.
Nakudlalile shem nontando yenkosi kodwa bengafaki lutho kwi-gallery.
Mina ngiyakhohlwa. Ngikhona ngikhumbula manje. Ngoba ngibone light ama-Mannequin. Sisithandeka, thank you so much. Inkosi kubusisa.
Guys, tap the screen. Can we all tap together?
Sisithandeka ngiyabonga shem. God bless you for me. Ingaba yini ngaphandle kwakho? uNkulunkulu wami wasemhlabeni. uNkulunkulu wami wasemhlabeni. Kunini nisokola ngelamntu ondlalelayo namhlanje likhawule.
Guys, tap the screen.
Sasa ngicela ukubatshela phela ukuthi uShamu bedlala ama-galaxy lama-lion kitten nani? Ngicela kube ingxoxo yakho lwazi. Ngicela ukubatshela phela kusasa ukuthi uShamu bedlala ngento ezinkulu. Ne?
Batshelo ba?
Uwe.
Habe.
Ngobatshela ukuthi Shamish is dangerous. Ngabona ukubhala uThandeka
Hayi, mina
Moleka
bengekho ngibona
libaleke.
yonke leyo nto.
Kumele ubatshele ukuthi ngabona ubhale Thandeka Moleka libaleke ningadlali la man. Sisithandeka, thank you so much my sister. I feel so blessed though. Ngaze ngajabula Nkosi yami.
Everyone tap on the screen for me, guys. Ukuthi nje usithole kabi ke nosithandeka kungenamuntu ngapha kimi. Otherwise ngabe siyaqeda ngani.
Mtshele Mazithi kusasa kube ingxoxo yakhe abekhuluma emastradini akuthi eyushami beyingozi yesterday kulo sisi wakhe waphesheya kuthiwa uThandeka.
Guys, tap the screen for me.
On time 3 guys, time 3.
Asambeni bo.
Time 3. Sisithandeka, thank you so much. Time 3.
Yes, please help me. Times 3, guys. Times 3.
Time 3.
Anything you're on triples, guys.
Sister. Hey, can you play JTM? Jesus, oh, God is great. Hey, can you fly JTM? Hey, hangeke shem.
Guys.
Isezingeni eliphezulu. Laze ladlala iphaphu lami Nkosi yami yo.
On my head, guys, Jal.
On your head. Sisithande 18 screenshot. Phela le akaziyenzeke le. Uthola igift olitshela ukuthi yenza so.
Mendoza.
Hi my sister, thank you so much. God bless you. Ngaze ngafila blessed. Now iflying jet ibhali ukuthi Thandeka from Thandeka. Thandeka. Yabo? Sasa ngiyabe
How are you doing? Guys, can
Sasa ngiyabe ngichoma ngegift gallery yami. Into ezinkulu semfakelile. Sisithandeka sasa ungarecharge uzomfakela ama well diving ayi3. One rose. One rose. Yiwase shoda phela into ezinkulu.
One Rose family.
Sisithandeka inkosi kubusise shem. Yo ngaze ngajabula ukuthi khonapha ngiyabona yazibuze babuzana ukuthi kanti wajabula kangaka. Ngizabachazela ekseni. Because ngiyakwazi ukuthi abayizwisisi lento le. Abalazi ihappiness.
One Rose, guys. One Rose family.
Sisithandeka ngiyabonga. Sisithandeka sasa uzonirichargela, uzongifta kusela ama-gift lokhu nini ama-well diving ayi3. Sisithandeka ngiyabonga. Okay, sisithandeka ngizokuthumela shem yo. Asiswami shem uNkulunkulu. Yazi ngabe useduze sho ngabe ezokunikeza ihagi. Ngiyabonga inkosi kubusise.
Tap the screen, please. We on double now. We activated.
Time 2. Angithemba awuzozula ikhohli ilanga leli lwazi ne. Uzobhala ngaso story lesuthi there was Shami.
Relax. Guys, times 2.
Phela lama lokhu zenini phela. Hawu wena, ungabi lo mona phela lama flying jet. Times 2 guys. This times 2.
Double.
This is Thandeka, thank you so much yo. Ngiyoze ngikhalela ku live Nkosi yami shem isibusiso phela lesi. Phezulu kokuhlupheka konke lokhu kanti ukhona umuntu ozobuya athi Shami no I'm here for you. So that's why don't ever lose hope in life. You see? Yabona that's the reason belokhu engihleli nawe ngithi hayi someone will come.
Busuyilahlile hope.
But ngeke ngakutshela ngathi someone will come and play for me. Ngikutshelile wena. Kusho ukuthi benisiza ukuthi siswami ukhona eduze kwami shem. Sifam, thank you so much.
Yaphila.
Siswami ngiyabonga wangenza iqanda. Wazwaniphatha butofotofo. Into engizoyithini yona le? Wethukile lwalwane?
Guys, tap the screen. Hayi, lutho.
Phela mina lokuthi ngithi ngingasakukhuza ukuthi ungakhuluma khona zami ngiyakubona nje ukuthi ule trauma so that's why ngwekela ukukhuluma. Yabo? Phela which means ukuthi ngilokhuzile phela ifragment nisevile ne? Ngikonjekele phela lwazi ukucheckwa
We say village.
Check phela just check in case.
Igcwele phela futhi kusase eli kakhulu manje ukuthi singa-check.
Igcwele kodwa ne?
Sazoze kuseni. Sazobe sekuseni. Ithi uzothola 2 fragment.
Sasusisi wami uzomfakela ama-well diving ama-3 aphinde
Yabo, shuthi uzothola wona lo
amfakele le-lion kitten. Ngiyabe sengi-right.
ROD.
I-lion kitten anti uthe kushote i-1. Kushote i-1 lion
Lion,
kitten.
yeah.
Leko kuyisilwane okuncuncuncu. Sisithandeka ungiphosele khona kusasa. Oh sisithandeka ngiyabonga shem. Swele imilomo ezinkulungwane uthi ngikubonge kanjani. Yo ngaze ngayephi emhlabeni. Wapha abantu bami online bambona yini uthi yimi lo enle 6K. Dinga u-screenshot phela bazayala uthi ngiyimi. Lwazi come and face your shame. Hayi.
First my shame kuphi? Andizi.
Okay, aka screenshot. Yeah. Ngi-screenshotile phela ngingabona lo. Lapha ngiyabe
I shame. Guys, let's all tap the screen. We are going through a lot. Shami is beating us. Where are the MVPs?
Time 3 guys.
Asien guys, Asien.
I know ukuthi usisi wami sehambile time 3 guys, but anyone ole donut ungandrophela. Yabona that's why into esiwabiza ama-gifters la. Umuntu othi noma kungela smoke kungela challenge ufika ku-gift.
Guys, times 3.
Yabona Lwazi. Basikhuluma ama-gifter ngempela. Umuntu ofika angalindi ukuthi kuthiwa kule smoke kumbe kuyini uyafika kudlale la. Isibusiso phela sonesi time 3. Kaklego, thank you so much. Kaklego Thebe, thank you. Ngaze ngaba happy shem.
Everyone, let's move together, guys.
I'm just here to help you. Zwana velo sham. I'm here to help you all.
Sekuyimi manje osizwayo.
Ithi ngisuke abantu bayonithakathela ilokuzeni ile flyjet yami ivuka ibalekile.
Guys, tap the screen for me, please.
Ivuka ihambile.
Asien.
On time, so let's try, guys. Let's just help Ulwazi, guys.
What are you helping me with?
What bakugift Lwazi phela ngina ukuthi unganika ismoke abantu bami bazophenduka. So sithandeka ngikavume ngami. Ngiyantotoza phela. 1 rose.
How? Oh, ayibala ngale rose.
Ngale rose eli-1. My kakleko 1 rose family. Maybe uthola ukuthi khona apha singalalanga sizothola amabhubesi yakwazi.
Guys, tap the screen, you never know.
Ngoba lo munye afika sidabukele khona athi labantwana bahlupheka bastreama bazi bastreamela ngo-1 athi mabhubesi.
Bayes.
Ela ngempela shem. Kulate.
Bayeza bazofaka amabhubesi.
Omunye afika athi lion
DK.
Mina bafake bamfakela i-universe wena bakufakele lion kitten.
Hayi kakusasa. Bayafakela mina.
Dihoni njani? Mina Lwazi ngicabanga nje lokwenza itiye ngoba yo awukalali.
Hawu seku1 kodwa angizeli.
Uzele njani?
Angizeli.
Lama ngizeli phela. Ngiyaphila kakhulu mdikoni, ngiyaphila kakhulu.
Guys, times 2 njalo bo.
Yimi lo shama othola lion kitten.
×2.
Yes.
And if I got you, I don't need money. I don't need cause scale you my own.
Let's all double check right. And abala level amakhulu like level 41 likuphi. Can someone come and drop a interstellar for me? Lwazi? Wena ufunani?
Mina ngifuna universe.
Why choosing? Wena unimele bathu ukhalela ikhokhi.
Ngizowenzani khokhi?
Mina ngifuna interstellar alright. Let's see ukuthi imbanozo ole gift elizabe drop interstellar. Sibona imbanozo kudropela i-universe.
Mina ngifuna i-universe, guys.
Ngiyeke ucela into enkulu ungazange uthole noma yikhokhi.
Ubani othe angizange ngithole?
uNtando uzobuye kunika i-universe kusasa